Hi guys, it's Mandakini here from Dynamic Wellness. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Kuzu drink. For those of you that have been to our cleanses, if you're just about to do it, you know that we use Kuzu to strengthen our gut. Kuzu is a type of thickener. You buy it in these kind of packets, and it's been known in Asia, Japan and China to have really strong medicinal benefit for gut function. It's used for energy, it's used for colds and flus, it's used to just strengthen your gut. It's good for a lot of things. So I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is. Roughly, I've taken about a teaspoon or two of dry Kuzu. It doesn't much matter because you can make it as thin or as thick as you want. What is important is that you're going to have to dissolve the Kuzu, the dry Kuzu, with cold water or temperature water, not boiling water. So while you're doing that, I've got the water boiling here, just plain water, filtered water, good quality water. So the whole deal is going to be very, very quick. Now you can use it for a drink and just have it as a drink on its own. You can do it a bit thicker and use it for sauces, thickener, add it to soup, make desserts with it, not during the cleanse. But you can, it's a very, very versatile, it's basically a healthy thickener. It's a bit unlike corn flour. This actually has medicinal properties also, although it behaves quite similar. So have a look. The Kuzu has dissolved with the cold water, and we've got the hot water here that is boiling, and now all we're doing is adding this until it's clear, and we are done. That's it. So after you've done that, you can have it warm, and you can make a quantity just to have now. So you can pour it in a cup. You can add the squeeze of lemon. You can have maybe some soy milk or almond milk. Whether you want it sweet or savory, it's up to you. I like it plain. It's very, very nourishing. But you can also, especially if you're doing the cleanse and you're going to need to have it every day, you can make it a little bit thicker. And once it's cold, you can just put it in the fridge and then just take the amount that you need at the time, maybe pour hot water on it. You can take it even cold and solid and thick to work and just put it in a cup and dissolve it pour hot water on it once it's already cooked that way. So give it a go. It's very, very, very good for our gut function. It will make us tight from the inside. So to your health. Bye guys.